guys, I'm excited to show you this salon rolling tray I just got. This has a really large capacity. I can fit a lot of items on here. I can fit a lot more than I even have on here right now. This rolls around really smoothly, which is nice. It was a really easy installation that I'll show you a little bit later. This is pretty easy to lift and lower, so I can just loosen up the screw here and I can lower it easily or lift into whatever height I want, and then I just tighten that bolt up again, and then now it can be this height, which makes it really accessible for different salon industries. It's made of all metal, and so the tray is easy to clean. It's like a non-stick surface, and it seems really sturdy too. So I'm excited to use this product and show you guys how easy it is to set it up.